Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the big surprises coming to you in the year 2024. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. But if you're looking for a reading personalized to your current situation, I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account, and you'll be able to choose from the hundreds of readers who are online right now. These readers each have unique specialties designed to provide a deeper understanding of your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your needs, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can have a reading in an instant whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a schedule. Keen has been my go-to psychic app whenever I need some clarity or confirmation, especially in making decisions. My favorite psychic from Keen has always been very helpful, and her insights always fit my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 10 minutes for only $1.99. And that's already a great deal to start. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to save big on your first reading. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is the cheapest psychic reading you could ever have online. Imagine it's only $1.99 or 110 pesos, and that's already a 10-minute private reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Pisces, let's see what are the big surprises coming to you ngayong 2024. Ayan, so excited na ba kayo for 2024? Ano yung mga hopes and dreams nyo and wishes nyo for 2024? Comment nyo nga. So this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay? So, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, Pisces. Ano yung mga surprises for 2024? Ayun, may healing, oh. You are going to heal. So, yung mga ano dyan, may mga karamdaman, physically, no, you are going to heal ngayong 2024. Some of you naman, mga emotional pain. Ayan. So, you will heal from that. Yung mga bagay na dinadala mo na mabigat sa puso mo, ile-let go mo na yan ngayong 2024 and you will focus on healing. And also, surprise din sa inyo dahil meron kayong magiging interes sa pag-aayos ngayong 2024. Maaring kayo ay i-enhance nyo ang inyong physical appearance, and maaring you will be shining, no? Mas mapapansin ka ng mga tao kasi nire-reinvent mo yung sarili mo, mas pinahahalagahan mo na yung sarili mo. You also have psychic protection. Alam nyo, Pisces, sa 2024, nothing or no one can harm you because you are protected. Okay? You are protected. So, may mga dyan, may mga pwedeng mag-try na i-attack ka psychically, no? Or yung mga nagto-throw ng shade sa'yo or somehow nagbibigay ng negative energy sa'yo. But, ngayong 2024, as long as you know how to protect yourself, your energies, hindi ka tatabla ng mga yan. Okay? So, remember to always use protection. Marami tayong mga protection items, bracelets. And you can just, do some other rituals kung paano mas protektahan ang energy mo. Ayan. So, ngayong 2024 din, meron kang travel opportunities. Pwedeng abroad ito. Oo. So, maaring biglaan to, surprise na may magsusurprise sa'yo na, oy, tara, travel tayo sa Europe, sa sa Singapore. Yung iba naman, pwedeng meron kayong lilipatan na bagong bahay. Yung iba naman, tinan mo, meron talagang spiritual insight dito. Power and strength. Yes, I think you will empower yourself more na sa pamamagitan ng pag-heal from the past. Kasi 'di ba, kapag meron pa rin tayong puot, galit para sa isang tao or sa isang sitwasyon na nagpahirap sa atin in the past, dala-dala natin yun, hindi tayo makamove forward. But for you, Pisces, you are becoming more mature spiritually, kumbaga mas spiritually ka na aware. See, meron na namang healing, you are healing. And yung emerald, this is green, so energy yan ng heart chakra mo, free flowing. Ayan, strong relationship. So if you are in a relationship sa 2024, mas lalong titibay ang inyong pagsasama ng iyong person. Okay, meron ditong hassles, patience. So I think mas magiging patient ka ngayong 2024 pag may mga aberya kang na-experience. Yes, because of the resources that you have. Mas resourceful ka na, no? So, masusurprise mo yung sarili mo na, kaya mo na palang gumawa ng paraan sa mga problema or challenges na ikakaharapin mo, na hindi mo na siya iaasa sa iba kasi you have your independence. Diba? Ganda yan. So, tinan pa natin. Kuha tayo ng tong i-explore pa. Kasi pwede tong exploration through pagta-travel or meron kang i-explore na knowledge. Fifth house. Fifth house is about your creativity. So, maaring meron kang i-explore na creative talents and skills mo, madidiscover mo na may talent ka pala sa isang bagay na yan. And fifth house is also about dating, romantic connections, no? So, pwedeng iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng papasok kayo sa long distance relationship. Or magta-travel kayo ng person mo together. Fifth house is also about children. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng surprise baby. Ayan. Let's see. Ano pa? You have the King of Cups. Meron person na nagmamahal sa'yo ng lubos. Malalim ang kanyang pagmamahal para sa'yo. Nga lang to long distance. So, sobrang miss na miss ka na. And, maaaring this person will be exerting more effort to communicate with you. Lagi itong makikipag-communicate sa'yo in any way or form. So, gagawa siya ng paraan. 'Di ba? Sabi nga kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. So, you have the Two of Swords. Decision making. Okay. Some of you, Pisces, pwede talaga kayong papasok sa isang romantic connection. Ngayong 2024, pwedeng unexpected to. So, surprise talaga sa inyo. Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords is about, overthinking. Oo. So, I think, yung tipong, gusto mo pang makilala tong taong to ng lubusan. So, ang gagawin mo, you might just get into a relationship right away. Para hindi ka na mag-overthink na, alam mo yun, tipong, ewan ko kung uso pa ba ngayon yung mga ligawan stage, no? But for some of you, you might get into a relationship right away. Lalo na kung medyo nagmamadali ka na. Nagmamadali talaga. Oo. And Also, I think medyo kung mag-aaral ka ngayong 2024, pwede ring maging challenging 'yan sa lalo na kung meron ka mga pinagsasabay-sabay na mga task. So, this might be challenging for you. So, kaya kailangan manage your time wisely. Fifth house na naman. So, dating talaga for you, Pisces. Maha-highlight yan. And, just make sure na you are careful. Lalo na doon sa, kung ayaw nyong mabuntis or makabuntis. Ingat. Okay, so next, what has no bearing on what will be? What does your ideal life look and feel like? So I think you're going to be more magiging sure ka na sa mga bagay na gusto mo sa buhay mo ngayong 2024, and you will explore whatever you want to know more. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.